Viewers, welcome to Mura's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make rainbow chop. First of all, we need some oil in a pan. We're going to add our onion. Salt. Pepper, we're going to add pepper, some leek, some spring onion, and some red pepper. Underlooked pretty with beautiful color. We got to cook them until the vegetables are cooked. Then we're going to add some mashed potatoes. We're going to add some chilli flakes. Little coriander. Little bit of cumin. Now we're going to add our mashed potatoes. Viewers, we're going to add some chaat masala to it. We're going to add a little bit of nutmeg. We're going to add now a little bit of mace. Now we're going to take it out from the pan and leave it to cool. Viewers, we're going to add some peas on them. Viewers, we're going to assemble the dish. First of all, we got all the rainbow vegetables there with potatoes. We got a mixture of chickpea flour and water in there. And eggs, they cut in 4 pieces, so they're gonna give us the rainbow color. And we got the breadcrumbs. Now we're gonna assemble it. We're gonna take our rainbow mix, put one of the egg in the middle, then we're gonna cover it. We make all of them, and now we're gonna dip it in gram flour and water. And then we're going to put it in the breadcrumb mixture. That's the way we're going to roll them, and we keep it in a separate plate. Viewers, we're going to fry our viewers, they just come out from the fryer. Look at that, how lovely color. They look very crunchy outside. You can tell. Viewers, they are ready. Now we're going to serve it. Viewers, that's my beautiful, fantastic rainbow chop. Enjoy and bon appetit.